Hey everyone, welcome to Old School Guys.
Today we're gonna prank.
That's a song lyrics prank that's going on in YouTube community. Everyone are doing it, so we thought why not? We will also join. So
And let's see the reactions and the outcomes from them.
yeah, we hope it would be funny, but we are not sure and never did such kind of things. But it will be exciting.
Quite funny and exciting and thrilling and everything. We are quite nervous right now.
Yeah, because in Indians there is a thing that if you say something against the routine, they will be hyped and they will freak out. Maybe they will call. They won't call us. They will call the parents and say, "Oh, this, blah 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 blah."
Yeah, you will be totally screwed here.
Yeah.
You will be grounded.
Yes.
You will be not be allowed to use even phones and everything. You will be like in a jail.
Yes. So, but we are doing such kind of thing, and
So,
quite happy.
let's see
Yeah.
how well this goes.
Yeah, first we are gonna prank our Mr. Boss. Don't wanna reveal name also.
Yeah.
So we are using Katy Perry lyrics. So that's I Kissed a Girl. So let's see. You can know he's our brother, and brothers get really intense when hearing such kind of things.
I am so tense now.
He's gonna send it.
Oh. There you go.
Yeah.
Not online, bro.
Mm.
We need to wait for his reply.
By the way, he's a super fast texter.
Yeah, I know that. So let's see for his reply.
Yo. Our buddy.
This time I'm gonna prank now. Now it's my turn.
The king has returned. Now
He
let's,
is there,
now
the
let's prank
boss.
the king. Yeah.
The
Let's
boss
prank
is here.
Yes. Let's prank our boss. Let's.
I already messaged him.
He's doing Katy Perry lyrics.
I kissed a girl and I like it.
Yeah. Let's see.
And he is also my cousin. Bro, dude, everything is quite elder.
Yeah. Let's see how he will react.
Now I'm quite nervous.
I'm excited now.
I kissed a girl and I liked it.
Reply.
Lip lock? Question mark. The first message was awesome.
I kissed a girl and I like it. I messaged him and he replied lip lock. I'm quite nervous now.
Taste of her cherry chapstick. I kissed a girl just to try it.
I'm really excited. But the problem here is he's not responding too quickly. He's giving messages and going offline. That's not fair.
But I think this time he will reply so
Yeah.
because the first message was so effective.
So he replied with,
Oh,
oh,
there
he's
you
on.
go. There he is online and he saw and I'm gone.
Girlfriend or random one? Question mark. No, it's gonna be
Hey.
epic.
There you go.
Dude.
Hope my boyfriend don't mind it.
Send
I'm sending it.
straight away. Gone. Let's see.
But I think with this he will.
Maybe he might know, but let's see. Let's hope for the best. This should be an epic prank. What? Now he's thinking that Wasim is a gay. Super. Wow. See, he's very active now.
He is
not
quite
very
excited.
Yeah.
He is excited. I am nervous. He is also excited.
Super duper.
It felt so wrong. It felt so right.
क्या बोल रहा boss? He means that what are you
What are you
speaking, dude?
speaking?
Double quotes, my double quotes close, question mark, question mark. Oh,
He just spotted me.
Yeah.
With Mike?
He is definitely thinking that Wasim is a gay.
Hey, I am not a gay.
Superb. This is going to be very effective. Okay, continue with the lyrics.
Don't mean I
you go, there you go, there you go. He just saw.
He read it.
I guess he opened my chat only.
Yeah, he is really excited, want to know the reason, and maybe that's the point.
He's a quite loud guy.
He said, my boyfriend don't mind it. Wasim said that, so he got really
Confused.
yeah. What? Wasim is gay? I'm living with a gay?
My brother is gay.
That's quite funny.
Correct this sentence.
The same thing, my
Correct
boyfriend.
the sentence.
What shall I do with that?
Okay, we'll go continue with the lyrics.
No, I don't even know your name. It doesn't matter.
That's fine. I'll tell my father. He'll handle it.
I will tell my father. He will handle it. Or he's gonna tell it for our father.
That's cool. Let's go. Okay.
No, I can't.
No, let it be. No,
He
you-
gone offline. What he's doing now?
Okay,
Where he
okay.
gonna tell his name?
I think it's backfired. Let's
Yeah.
reveal him. Let's reveal him. Okay.
Hold on.
I'm really excited.
I am so sweating here.
Let's see if he's nervous. Yeah, little bit. I expected this from our boss. He did it. You are the man, dude. You are the man.
He's offline. He's not replying me.
I can't control my laugh.
Holy fuck, man. He just said, that's fine, I will tell my father. And he will handle it. What will handle it?
Okay, let's. I'm sorry.
Oh, see, I'm sweating a lot. Oh man, he's not replying at all. Shall I call him?
He just
I
went
just
offline.
call him.
Okay.
I will just call him now.
He's calling to confirm. He's not lifting the call.
He's not lifting, man. You wanna speak? Shall I speak?
You should speak. I am not
Oh, just a prank.
He's calling.
He's not
I think
lifting.
he's with.
His
I
dad?
think, yeah, he's telling.
I'll be fired. Where are you going, man?
Epic prank, guys. Epic prank. Backfired.
I am gone.
Epic prank
What he's
backfired.
doing?
This video will be going good, I think. He's not lifting the call. That means he is in front of his father speaking.
He did not answer me.
Let me call.
Call him, bro.
Otherwise, this matter would really go too far. Like I told you, Indian
This
families.
is India. I will be totally fucked up and I will
See.
be totally gone.
Okay, where is our dude? Let's see. Let me give a call. Yo, dude. Chill. Let's see. What the fuck?
He's not replying.
He's even not lifting this one. He's not even lifting my call. Maybe he's in front of his father telling everything. Maybe. Oh.
Hey, Jay, he just saw. Hey. Hello? Hello? वो प्रैंक था खाली कुछ भी सीरियस नहीं हाँ ओके 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 अल्ताफ इधर
ओके बहुत मस्त करे मस्त मजा है ओके टाटा that was quite cool.
That was quite my heart betrayed a
I
lot.
was so excited.
I guess we no need to do cardio and everything, right? It increases your heartbeat and blood circulation so fast. Wow, that sucks. So, this was our prank.
Okay.
Where he lifted his father, that was quite dangerous. That's a dangerous protocol.
Okay. So we'll go. I think the Katy Perry lyrics are so effective. So for our next two victims, we'll use that same lyrics.
Yeah, it's
Let's
quite
see.
effective and quite
Yeah.
really fucked up.
Let's see how it goes.